So to make this zigzag effect, it's actually the reverse of this really simple colourwork pattern. This stitch is a 2-row repeat and you need to cast on an even number of stitches. You also need 2 coloured yarns, which we're going to call colour A and colour B. White will be my colour A and red will be my colour B. So for row 1, you're going to knit 1A and knit 1B and repeat this sequence. So you can see I'm going to knit one with colour A first, and then I'm going to knit one with colour B, but I need to cross colour B over colour A, just like that, and then complete the stitch. And you're going to do this for every stitch. So now I'm going to go back and knit colour A, and you can see I'm going to take colour A and cross it over colour B and then complete the stitch. So now it's knit 1B, so I'm going to take colour B over colour A and knit the stitch, and you repeat this till the end of the row. So for row 2, you're going to purl 1B, purl 1A and repeat this sequence. So first you're going to insert your needle purlwise into the first stitch, which is colour B, and then you're going to take colour B, and whatever stitch is first, you need to cross that colour over the other colour so they twist together. So you always start by twisting the yarns, and this takes the zigzags right to the edge of the work. So I'm going to cross the yarns, and then I'm going to complete the stitch by purling colour B. And then you're going to purl colour A, so cross the yarns, take colour A over B, and then colour B over A and complete the purl stitch. So next it's a colour A, so you take colour A over colour B and purl the stitch, and you repeat this sequence until the end of the row. So if you repeat rows 1 and 2, you get this really cool zigzag effect on one side. Then on the other side you have the vertical stripes.